If you're stuck on a black screen with cursor issue in Windows 10 or 11, don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy solutions that will fix black screen issue. Fix number 1. Restart your graphics driver. The first thing you should try is restarting your graphics driver. It's fast and can instantly fix the issue. If it's a minor glitch, press Ctrl plus Windows plus Shift plus B. If your screen flickers and the desktop reappears, your problem is solved. If not, try the next solution. Fix number 2. Force restart your PC. Sometimes a simple force shutdown clears up temporary issues. Hold the power button on your PC for about 10 seconds until it shuts down. Wait a few seconds and turn it back on. If it still shows the black screen with the cursor, let's try booting into safe mode. Fix number 3. Boot into safe mode. If something is wrong with your display settings or startup apps, this can help. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Click the power icon in the bottom right corner. Hold Shift on your keyboard and click on Restart. On the blue screen, go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings. Then click on Restart. When the options appear, press the key for Enable Safe Mode, usually F4 or 4. If your PC boots successfully in safe mode, you can now uninstall or update display drivers or disable problematic startup programs. Fix number 4. Run System File Checker (SFC). If your system files are damaged, they can cause the issues like the black screen. To scan and repair them, boot to the same advanced option window using Shift plus Restart again. Select Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type this. Press Enter and let the scan complete. Once done, reboot your system and see if the black screen issue is fixed. Fix number 5. Disable Fast Startup. Fast Startup is a Windows feature that can sometimes cause problems during boot. Boot into safe mode again. Press Windows plus R. Type powercfg.cpl and press Enter. Click Choose what the power buttons do. Click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. Click Save Changes, then Restart. Fix number 6. Restart Windows Explorer using Command Prompt. If your computer screen is blacked out but still running, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. This will try to open Task Manager. If you're using Windows 10, click on More Details at the bottom, then click File in the top left corner and choose Run New Task. Now in the box that appears, type CMD. Make sure to check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges and then click OK. The command prompt will open. Enter this command. You can copy this command from the video description. Press Enter. Wait for the command to finish running. This will refresh the desktop system. After it's done, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete together. Then click on the Restart option in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now let your computer restart and check if the black screen problem is fixed. Fix number 7. Uninstall recent Windows updates. On the black screen, press Windows plus Alt plus Delete to open the security options screen. Now press and hold the Shift key. While holding Shift, click on the power icon in the bottom right corner, then click Restart. Your PC will restart and show a new screen. On this screen, click Troubleshoot. Then click on Advanced Options. Next, select Uninstall Updates. Now, you'll see two options. If the black screen started after a feature update, click on Uninstall Latest Feature Update. If it happened after a regular update, click on Uninstall Latest Quality Update. Now click Uninstall Quality Update again to confirm. Once it's done, click Done and then click Continue. Now your computer will restart. Check if the black screen problem is fixed. That's it. I hope one of these steps fixed your black screen with cursor issue in Windows 10 or 11. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. See you in the next one.